Most people think that uploading a video is just about hitting the upload button. But the truth is that if you want your videos to reach more people, there are some key steps to follow. Though these steps might seem so simple, but they can really make a huge difference in getting your videos to reach more people and getting more engagement. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Imomondes TV. Follow me along in this video. Let me show you the right way on how to upload your videos. Are you ready? Let's get started. Open up your browser and type in studio.youtube.com. Click on this three horizontal line here and click on Content. Let's say this is the video I am about to upload. Make sure you have a catchy title here and use keywords that tells people what your video is all about. Then in here, you need to write a 2 to 3 sentence description of your video, explaining to your viewers what they will learn if they watch your video. And next is to upload your well-designed thumbnail. You can use Canva to design your thumbnail, or you can click on auto-generated for a part of your video to be used for your thumbnail. If your content is not for kids, please click on no, it's not made for kids. Otherwise, your videos will be pushed for kids. Hit on show more and click on no, I have not altered any content, except if maybe you use AI to change people's appearance in your video. Now move to automatic chapters. Make sure to click on all these 3 features you are seeing here, as this will make your video easier to watch and also help your viewers to explore key places in your video. You should use as many tags as possible. After that, I make sure I allow embedding, although this is in default setting, and also allow video and audio remixing. Now, this is very important. You need to select the right category for your video. If it is an educational channel, make sure to select education. Or if it is an entertainment channel, make sure to select entertainment. But if it is a tutorial, you select how to and style. That is going to tell YouTube what type of video this is. Next, turn on your comments if you want engagement on your video, and click on next. Make sure to add end screen to your video. I have made a video on that. Then turn on visibility to public. Then click on publish. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell. And do well to like and share this video.